Welcome to the channel. If you are looking for precision and practicality to monitor your health, the INNOVO iP900BP-B is the right choice. With premium design and advanced technology, it helps you take care of who matters most, you and your family. Want to know more? So sign up now and get the best tips. Why is INNOVO different? Number 1. Precise results. Unlike standard oximeters, the INNOVO delivers reliable readings of SpO2, blood oxygen level, and heart rate even in low perfusion conditions thanks to its advanced sensor and high-performance LED. Number 2. Bluetooth connection plus control on your smartphone. Monitor your health in real time direct from your mobile. The Beyond Oximeter app allows you to record readings, track detailed graphs, and check perfusion index. Fully compatible with Android and iPhone. Number 3. Smart multidirectional screen. With 6 layout options, you choose to view horizontally, vertically, or change the direction. It's just a click. So, it is easy even for those who are looking after you. Number 4. Plethysmograph and perfusion index. Eliminate any doubts about the reliability of measurements. These advanced features ensure you know the quality of your SpO2 and heart rate readings in real time. Number 5. Perfect for athletes. It monitors your vital signs before and after physical activities accurately. Use before or after physical activities to monitor your performance. Elderly. Record your readings and share with doctors or data accessible to caregivers. Remember, it is designed for instant readings, not for continuous use at night. How to buy? The reliable purchase link is in the description. Click now, add to cart, and take advantage of today's special discount. Don't leave your health for later. Before you go, sign up for the channel to receive tips that help you make safer and smarter decisions. See you in the next video.